Okay, good morning. So welcome you all to the maths EAPCET classes. So today we will be starting with very important chapter, that is integration. So when we talk about integration, you know that it is reverse process of differentiation. We have already done with what? Differentiation, including the PYQs and also application of derivatives. So when you talk about integration, okay, it is the reverse process of differentiation. So first of all you should know the weightage of this unit when it comes to your EAPCET examination. So integration for EAPCET, you will be getting an average 4 questions. 4 questions you will be getting. So it is high-yielding topic. So 4 questions you will be getting from, I am talking about indefinite integration. I am just talking about indefinite. I am not including definite. I am talking about indefinite integration. Indefinite integration is giving you 4 questions. Definite integration will give you some more. That is different. I am talking about indefinite integration. 4 questions will come for Telangana students. If you talk about AP students, you will be getting, they will be getting 6 questions from indefinite integration itself. Okay, clear? Now let us start with the discussion. Let us go into the concept of integration. Integration is what? It is the reverse process of differentiation, right? It is a reverse process of differentiation. Now if you talk about blur, okay. Okay, like I told you, integration is what? Reverse process of differentiation. Now what does it mean? Now we know that d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. What about d by dx of sin x plus 7? That is also cos x, right? That is also cos x. D by dx of sin x plus a, that is cos x. D by dx of sin x minus 10, that is also cos x, right? That is also cos x. So I told you integration is what? Antiderivative or reverse process of differentiation. So if I do integration means what? That's S symbol, large S symbol will come. So if I do integration of cos x, I should get what? Sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, different S come. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So don't get confused. See, most of you people will think that integration is difficult, but where differentiation is strong, if you do the reverse process in the while solving the question also, then integration will become easy. And here it's not like your board exam where you have to do the steps. Here we will be learning lot of tricks so that you get the answer very quickly and also very accurately. Clear? Come to this bench. Both of you sit in this bench. Okay. Now see here, if I talk about this, integral of cos x is equal to what? I should get sin x. So here for this one, integral of cos x, I will write it as what? Sin x plus 7 I will write it. Sin x plus 7 I will write it. Integral of what is this? Cos x. Here I will write it as what? Sin x plus a. Okay. This one I can write it as what? Integral of cos x can be written as what? Sin x minus 10. So this is what? Definitely integral of cos x should give me sin x, but here we are getting different values, plus 7, plus 10, minus 10. Here nothing is there means I can write it as plus 0, correct na? So this all put together I can write it as what? All put together, see here, this all put together I can write it as some constant value plus c, that's all. That is the meaning of constant of integration. Okay, so when you do differentiation we will get only one value, this will become eliminated, but while we do integration we will get the constant value as well. For that we will represent it as plus c when it comes to indefinite integration. When it comes to indefinite integration we will represent it like this. We will represent it like this. Now next thing is, observe carefully. Suppose I write integral of f of x dx is g of x plus c. Is g of x plus c. Okay, or let me write it here. Integral of f of x dx is what? It is g of x plus c. Okay. Integral of f of x dx is equal to what? G of x plus c, correct. Now if I want f of x, what I should do? Differentiation on both sides. differentiation of this f of x, or if I want f of x, what I will do? F of x is nothing but what? D by dx of g of x plus c means it is nothing but constant. I can write it as d by dx of g of x. So f of x, if I want, if I differentiate this, I will get f of x, correct now? So on integrating this, I am getting this. So if I want f of x only, on differentiating this, I will get f of x. Okay, clear? So please write this one, important, this one. This concept is important. Okay. Now see here, why this is important, I will tell you now. Suppose I write a question like x square e power x dx is equal to options are e power x into integral of x square e power x dx is equal to options are x e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. B is what? B is e power x into x minus 1 plus c. Okay. C is e power x into x square minus 1 plus c. D is e power x into x square plus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, plus 1 plus c. This is what we are having. Now integral of this should give me this. That means what? Differentiation of this I should give me this value. If I differentiate this, I should get x square e power x. Okay, integration of this should give one of this value. If I differentiate this, which value gives x square e power x? That is the answer. Suppose you don't know how to integrate this, what you can do is you can differentiate this. So suppose let us take the first option. Let us take each of the options. Let us take the first option. E power x is there. Okay, e power x is there. We should write what? E power x. If I apply d by dx of this, d by dx of this, if I apply, this gives me what? E power x is what? It is nothing but chain rule. First is what? UV rule we have to apply. E power x into what is this? X square minus 2x plus 2 plus e power x into 2x minus 2. This is what we have. Now e power x is common, I can take it outside. I will have what? X square minus 2x plus 2 plus 2x minus 2. Okay, what I am having? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 2x plus 2x cancel. I am having what? X square e power x. So I got the answer, x square e power x, I got it. So which is the first option? First option is the right answer. Okay, if I differentiate this, I am getting what? This one. So this is the right answer. This is what I am applying UV rule. First I differentiated e power x, that is e power x only, V I wrote it as it is, then e power x, then v dash. V dash is what? 2x minus 2. Clear? 2x minus 2. Getting it? Liharika, Srinidhi, getting it? Shravani, Shirisha, understood? So first we have to differentiate this, we will get the answer. Like this also you have to learn. Sai Kirti, getting it? So we have to differentiate, we will get the answer. Okay, this is one thing. That's what I told you here. See here? That's what I told you here. Integral of f of x dx is what? G of x plus c. So if you differentiate this, or f of x you want means, if you differentiate this, you will get f of x. On integrating this, if you are getting this means, if you want this, if you want to go reverse, reverse is what? Reverse process of integration is differentiation. So if you differentiate this, you will get f of x. That's all. Clear? Now, so first of all, for integration, good morning Sanvi. For integration, when we talk about certain important formulas, you must know. Okay. First thing is what? Integral of k means nothing is there means constant, or 1, or nothing is there means it is nothing but kx plus c. This is important, and highly important is this one, which we will be using most of the cases. What is that? Integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This formula. Integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. This is also important. Integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. Integral of root x. D by dx of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. D by dx is root x is what? 2 u is and here 1 by 2 root x. Reverse, you see, if I apply d by dx of root x, 2 u is and here 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of what is that? Root x is 1 by 2 root x. In integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x. But integral of root x is 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1. This you have to remember. You don't have to derive applying this formula. This is coming from here only, where n is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. N is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. This is coming from here only, but you don't have to derive it there. You should remember it. Integral of root x is what? 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2. What is it? 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c, that is integral of root x. Next we will talk about 1 by x, very important. It is log mod x plus c. 1 by x is what? Log mod x plus c. And here comes, what is it? Integral of e power x dx is e power x only, and integral of a power x is a power x log a. When it comes to differentiation, a power x log a power x into log a. When it comes to integration, a power x by log a power x by log a. Now, if I talk about one more thing you have to remember, integral of log x, you keep encountering it most of the times. Remember this also. Integral of log x is what? X log x minus x plus c. X log x minus x plus c. Please make a note of it. Integral of log x is what? X log x minus x plus c. There you don't have to solve in the examination. Directly put the formula. What is it? X log x minus x plus c. Okay, x log x minus x plus c. Good morning, Sanvi. I hope you are following. Okay, do share with your friends. Okay, x log x minus x plus c is the right answer for what? Integral of log x if they do. Otherwise, what you used to do? You used to do apply integration by parts and do this question. But now you don't have that much time, you have to remember this. X log x minus x plus c. Integration, you have to see integration, the questions how they give is, okay, if you can apply the formula directly, that is fine. Otherwise, most of the cases, 99% of the cases, they give the question where you cannot apply the formula directly. Integration is all about bringing those questions into a form where you can apply the formula. To bring it to that form, we have various methods like integration by substitution, integration by what? Trigonometric substitution, integration by partial fractions, integration by parts, like that we have various types. Correct? No? Integration of quadratic functions. Okay, and also we have integration of biquadratic functions. If square root is involved, all these things. 9 standard formulas also there. Okay, they are also important, you have to learn, and I will tell you how to remember them. Clear? Next is what? Next, certain other important formulas when it comes to trigonometric functions. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. There it is, only cos x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x is just sin x. Integral of tan x is what? Log secant x. Secant x can be written as what? 1 by cos. Like one question we solved now, log cot x to the base tan x. Similarly, cos x, secant x can be written as what? 1 by cos x. So cos x if you bring up, it will become cos x to the power of minus 1. So minus 1 will come outside, it can be written as minus log cos x plus c. Remember this, you can get it here. Okay. When it comes to remember, what is this? Cot x is what? Log sin x. This is log secant x, this is log sin x. This is log sin x or minus log cosecant x. Please remember this. Okay. Log cos x, this is what? Minus log cos x for tan x, or log secant x plus c for this one. See, when it comes to secant and cosecant, tan is what? Tan is log secant x. Cot is what? Minus log cosecant x. When it comes to tan is what? Secant x means minus log cos x. When it comes to cot, log sin x plus c. Log sin x plus c. Next, secant x dx. Secant x dx means, okay, it is what? Log secant x plus tan x. Log secant x plus tan x. This is highly important formula. This is what? Log secant x plus tan x. This can also be written as what? Shouldn't you have to focus? This can also be written as what? Minus, I can take it outside. This can also be written as log secant x minus tan x plus c. If I take minus outside, I can write it like this. Okay, because secant x plus tan x can also be written as what? 1 by secant x minus tan x. In trigonometry class, I told you secant x plus tan x, if it is 4, secant x minus tan x can be written as 1 by 4, like that. Don't forget that. Secant x plus tan x is equal to 1 by secant x minus tan x. Cot x plus cosecant x is what? 1 by cot x minus 1 by cosecant x plus cot x is what? 1 by cosecant x minus cot x. Okay. Now see here, log of secant x minus tan x plus c. This one can also be written as log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. You don't have to know how it comes. Remember this formula, write down this formula, highly useful formula. Okay. Integral of secant x can also be written as log secant x plus tan x, and more importantly log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. Naresh, thank you. Okay. Log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now when it comes to cosecant x, cosecant x is what? Log cosecant x minus cot x. If I take minus outside, it will become what? Log cosecant x plus cot x. Okay. And when it comes to tan, it will become only tan x by 2. No pi by 4 here. No pi by 4 business here. It is what? Log of tan x by 2. So secant x is what? Log secant x minus log secant x plus tan x remember this. Next is what? Log tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. When it comes to cos x, log cosecant x minus cot x. Next it is what? Log tan of x by 2. That's all. No pi by 4 here. No pi by 4 here. Okay. So if I take minus outside, this will become plus. Okay. Understood na? Finding it difficult formulas? You have studied for your board exam. Same thing. Same formulas. You have to remember this extra and this one extra. That's all. Okay. Just you have to revise. Every day half an hour you have to give time for revision of formulas. Then it will come. Easily it will come. Trigonometry formulas, integration, differentiation, all the shortcuts. Okay. You have to start investing at least 30 minutes every day to revise the formulas. Understood, Navinita? Clear? Next, integral of secant x tan x is secant x plus c, cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x. Cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x, secant square x, highly important. Secant square x is what? Tan x plus c. Secant square x is tan x plus c. Cosecant square x is what? Minus cot x plus c. Cosecant square x is what? Minus cot x plus c. Clear? Okay. Next. Now, when we talk about trigonometry, then we have to look at inverse trigonometric functions also. For inverse trigonometric functions, what are the formulas that are there? Let us go through. Okay. There what is important, I will tell you. Now see here, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x plus c. 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse of x plus c, that is also equal to minus cos inverse of x plus c. Minus cos inverse of x plus c. Why? Why that is equal to minus cos inverse of x plus c? Do you know the reason? Differentiation of? Tell me, this is inverse. This is not trigonometric functions. This is inverse trigonometric functions. 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse of x plus c. That can also be written as what? Minus cos inverse of x plus c. Why? Huh? X square minus? Minus common. Root x square minus 1, it will not become cos x. See, the reason is, you know that in inverse trigonometry we have something like sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Is equal to what? Pi by 2. So, sin inverse of x can be written as what in terms of? Can be written as pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. So, this can be written as what? Minus cos inverse of x plus pi by 2. Okay. So, this is what? Sin inverse of x I got means I can write it as minus cos inverse of x plus pi by 2. So, this pi by 2 plus c means this entire thing I can write it as c. So, this will become what? Minus cos inverse of x. This is the reason it is minus cos inverse of x. Understood the reason now? It is not blindly we are writing. The screen is blurred out. Okay. Now it is clear. Just listen. I think the screen issue is resolved now. Clear. Now see here. So this will become what? Minus cos inverse of x. Why it comes? You have to know this. Next thing is what? 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x plus c. That is equal to what? Minus cot inverse of x plus c. If they ask reverse, that is what? Differentiation of sin inverse of x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of x is what? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse of x is what? 1 by root of, not root, 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse of x is what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. But if they ask reverse, you should write cot inverse of x, tan inverse of x. So this is what? Tan inverse of x for what? 1 by 1 plus x square can also be written as minus cot inverse of x. Why? Here same reason. Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Okay. So tan inverse of x can be written as what? Minus cot inverse of x plus pi by 2. This entire thing I can make it as constant. So that is nothing but equal to what? Minus cot inverse of x. Avuna kada? No. Okay. Okay. Not yes sir. Avuna kada ante avunu ani cheppali loud ga. Okay. Ante. Okay. So integral of 1 by x into square root of x over minus 1 is square root of x over minus 1 is secant inverse of x. Okay. Same thing. We put the modular sign or x square minus 1 is, this is minus cosecant inverse of x plus 1 because same thing goes here. Secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Okay. Pi by 2. X 1 by x square root of x square minus 1 is what? Cosecant inverse of x. Now see here 1 by root of 1 plus x square, this is important formula. 1 by root of 1 plus x square, it is sin h inverse of x, or you can also write it as log of x plus square root of x square plus 1, or you can remember it like this. 1 by root of square root of x square plus 1. Square root of x square plus 1 is what? It is nothing but, again it will come in special forms, sin h inverse of x plus c, or it is nothing but equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus 1. These things you don't worry at all these things you don't worry. Okay, you have to just look at the formula. Now when it comes to this one, 1 by root of x square minus 1, x square plus 1 is sin h inverse, x square minus 1 is cos h inverse. Okay, cos h inverse can also be written as log of x plus square root of x square minus 1, same thing, x plus square root of x square minus 1. These things no need to worry at all. Okay, x square plus 1 by square root of x square plus 1 is what? X square plus 1 is sin h, x square minus 1 is cos h inverse. Okay, along with that, in terms of log can be written as log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 there, square root of x square minus 1 here. Clear? Then what we know, d by dx of mod x is what? We'll write as mod x by x. So integral of mod x by x is what? Integral of mod x by x is mod x. Integral of mod x by x is what? Mod x. This much you remember. Integral of mod x by x is mod x. Integral of mod x is x mod x by 2. Okay, not that important, but you remember. Okay, integral of mod x by x is what? Mod x. Integral of mod x is x mod x by 2 plus c, x mod x by 2 plus c. Okay, you can ask, but not that important. Integral of mod x by x is mod x. Integral of mod x is what? X mod x by 2. Okay, clear? Next thing, examples we will take up. We will solve some questions on integration. Now how to solve this question? Observe here what they have given. Integral of x by x minus 1 dx. Integral of x by x minus 1 dx. Tell me the method. Tell me the method. Just think of it. 1 by, that is what you are telling is correct. That tell correctly. That's all. That is correct. So what we will do here, in such type of questions, numerator we should make it same. That means for what I should do, integral of x minus 1 by x minus 1. But if I add minus 1, I should subtract. If I subtract minus 1, I should add plus 1. So if I separate and divide it, I will get x minus 1 by x minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 dx. So this is what? X plus log x mod x minus 1 plus c. Any doubt here? This much integration you people know, right? All of you. Akshaya, Bhavani, Manaswini, Liharika, Spandana, Shravani, Shirisha, Harsha, Nikhil, Gayatri, Sai Kirti. This much integration you know, right? Okay, then fine. Now see here, this one is straightforward. X cube plus 5x plus 9 divided by root x. So divide everything by root x. So that means what? This will become integral of x cube by root x plus 5 into x by root x plus 9 by root x. Okay, dx. Now x cube by root x. Root x means what? X to the power of 1 by 2. So this can be written as what? X to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2. Why? This will go up. This will be what? 5 to the power of, this one can be written as, x can be written as root x into root x. This will become 5 root x. This one will become 5 root x, because this x can be written as what? Root x into root x. Root x cancel, 1 root x will be remaining. 9 by root x. Okay, 9 by root x, I can write it as what? Okay, let us keep it like this only. Why? I will tell you. See, 5, this is what? X to the power of minus 3 minus 1 by 2 means what? 5 by 2. So this will be what? 5 by 2. X to the power of 5 by 2. X to the power of 5 by 2. Correct, right? So x to the power of 5 by 2 means, if I integrate, this will become 5 by 2 plus 1 means 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. This is what? Integral of root x is what? 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2, 9 into 1 by root x is what? 2 root x, 9 into 2 root x plus c. This you can further simplify, that you know how to do. Correct na? Understood na? This is root x is what? 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by root x is what? 2 root x, 9 into 2 root x plus c. Understood everyone? Got it? Anusha, Bhavani, Neha, understanding? Harsha, clear? This is basic integration which you know. Next. The video is blurry again. Okay. Okay. Let us continue now. Next one, they have given integral of secant x into secant x plus tan x. Integral of secant x, this what I can do, secant square x plus secant x tan x, right, dx. So integral of secant square x is what? Tan x. Integral of secant x tan x is what? Secant x. So tan x plus secant x plus c. See, one more thing is, whenever secant x come, try to bring tan x, or whenever tan x come, try to bring secant x. This trick you know. Okay. Another thing is, when it comes to cot and cosecant, it is the same. Okay. Next, tan square x. Okay. Some people will think that tan square x I can write it as tan cube x by 3 plus c. Can I write like this? No, that is not possible. So tan square x, we know the identity that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So tan square theta can be written as what? Secant square x minus 1. So this can be written as secant square x minus 1. Okay, secant square x minus tan x minus x plus c. So integral of tan square x is what? Secant x tan x minus x plus c. This you have to remember, tan x minus x plus c. Next. Now see here, f of x, g of x are two integrable functions. Then their sum can be separated and integrated. If you integrate them as a sum and difference, they can separate and integrate, and then separate and what is that? Integrate. See, plus and minus can be separated here with the integral sign. Okay. Integral of what? Addition and subtraction can also be written as integral of individual function plus or minus integral of another function, like that. That is the meaning of it. This is algebra. If f of x is an integrable function, then k is a number, constant. I told you in limits also, wherever the constant will be thrown out, that is integral of k f x, it is nothing but k times f x. Integral of 3 times x, integral of 3x means I can write it as what? 3 times integral of x. That is all. Okay. No need to write this down. This is very simple. Now this is highly important. This one and this one highly important. Out of this is highly important. Okay. So see here, integral of f dash of x by root of f of x is equal to 2 times root of f of x plus c. Okay, is equal to 2 times root of f of x plus c. Similarly, integral of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log f of x plus c. Now let us take example for this one. Let us take example for this one. If I write here square root of 3x square plus 3x plus 7 okay, dx. Now see here, this one if you take f of x, the differentiation of this is what? 6x plus 3. So this is nothing but what? F dash of x by square root of f of x. F dash of x by square root of f of x. This is of which form? First form. So this can be written as what? 2 times square root of f of x. 2 times square root of f of x is what? 3x square plus 3x plus 7. Plus 7 is equal to plus 7 plus c. That's all. Plus c. Okay. Now same thing when we talk about this one. Okay. If I write here 6x plus 3 by 3x square plus 3x plus 7, what I can write this? So this is of which form? F dash of x by f of x. F dash of x by f of x. So I can write this as what? Log of plus 3x plus 7 plus c. Correct? Plus c. Okay. Let us take some more examples of this. And one more alert you should know is, it is this one, first formula is, it is f dash of x by square root of f of x, it is 2 times square root of f of x. Okay. But if they give integral of 1 by root of f of x, okay, it is not 2 times square root of f of x. No, it is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. Only the formula is there for this. The formula is what? Integral of 1 by root x is 2 times square root of f of x, square root of x plus c. Only formula is this. If they give 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, you should not write it as 2 times square root of ax square plus bx plus c. No, in the numerator there should be f dash of x, then only you can write this formula. F dash of x by square root of f of x is 2 times square root of f of x plus c. If they give 1 by root of root of x 2 times square root of x, but if they give 2 times square root of 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, that time you cannot write it as 2 times square root. In the numerator what should be there? F dash of ax square plus bx plus c should be there. This one alert you should know. Okay, be alert here. Okay, don't directly apply, think and apply formulas. Okay, next thing. Blur. Okay. Okay, now it is fine. Shanvi, do share with your friends. Message retracted. Okay. Now see, suppose one more formula I will tell you, or shortcut. See here, if they give, please make a note of it, it is not here. Integral of f of n or f of x to the power of n, f of x to the power of n dx is given, means you cannot do anything, directly you have to solve. So that is, if it is given integral of tan square x dx is given, means you cannot write tan cube x by 3 plus c. But if they give integral of f of x to the power of n, f dash of x is given, f dash of x is given, means you can write it as f of x 1 plus c. Okay, f of x n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So f of x, what is this? N plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so suppose instead of this, if it is given tan square x, okay, tan square x into secant square x dx, tan square x into secant square x dx. Here f of x is what? Tan x, it is not tan square x. F of x is tan x, n is 2. So tan x, derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. So this can be written as what? Tan cube x by 3 plus c. Okay, or this dx, this can further be written as integral of tan square x. Okay, this secant square x is what? Derivative of tan x. So this is what? Tan square x d tan x, derivative of tan x. So that will be tan cube x by x. That is just like that, x dx, what is writing here, instead of writing x here, I have written what? Tan x. So integrate with respect to tan x. So tan cube x by x, tan cube x by 3 plus c. Okay, tan cube x by 3 plus c. Clear? Got it everyone? So you can write it this way, or you can keep it as it is and you can write tan cube x by 3 plus c. Got it? So important formula is what? F of x to the power of n into f dash of x can be written as f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So these three results are highly important. These three results are highly important. Clear, Sanvi? Naresh? Clear? Understood everyone? Okay. Next, results. So general substitution if you talk about. Okay, general substitution if you talk about, wait. General substitution. How na? You eat something? No, it's okay, you eat. You can write it later. You can copy from their book. You eat and listen, no problem. What is there? I won't ask you, you can eat. I had breakfast, I won't ask you, you can eat. So let us take some example. Integral of x power 2 by x power 6 plus 1 dx is given. Okay, this is the question. Integral of x power 2 by x power 6 plus 1 dx is given. So this is the question. X power 2 is there. So here also x power 2 should come. So I can write it as what? X cube whole square. I can write this as what? X cube whole square. Good. So x square by x cube whole square plus 1 dx. Okay. So t you can take it as x cube, so that will become what? 3x square, correct na? 3x square. So if I multiply by 3x square, I have to divide by 3x square. Okay, understanding everyone why I am dividing and multiplying? So this is what? Denominator is what? F dash of x by f of x. So I can write it as what? 1 by 3 log x power 6 plus 1 plus c. Correct na? What is this? No, this is not the thing. No, this will be not that way. See here, 1 by 3, this entire thing will become dt by 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square. So this will be what? 1 by 3 tan inverse of t plus c. So here t is what? X cube. dt will be 3x square dx. Okay, tan inverse of t. So 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus c. Tan inverse of 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus c. 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus c. 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus c. Eat, I told, no? Eat something. Please eat something. Now before we come back to this, now we have to learn certain standard substitution. Before we come to what is that? Some standard formulas, you have to learn certain substitutions. So see here some standard substitution if I talk about. Naresh Potala, I think now it is clear. Now see here, if they are given, please make a note of it if you don't know. So if they are given some integral of the form a square minus x square or 1 by root of a square minus x square, that time we should put x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta depending on the question and options. Okay. I told you to eat, na? Keep eating. Huh? No, nothing like that. She is focusing on the class. You eat, you will get more focus. Eat. Okay. So a square minus x square means we should put x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. A square minus x square, square root. Square root comes. Be it in numerator or be it in denominator, does not matter. You have to put x is equal to a sin theta, x is equal to a cos theta. This you have to remember. So whenever you see a question in the numerator, if you are having a square minus x square, or in the denominator if you are having a square minus x square, you have to put x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. But when it comes to this, okay, x square minus a square, x square minus a square means you should put x is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. Okay, see here, x square minus a square, it is given or not given? Okay, I think it is given here. See here, square root of x square minus x square by 1 by square root of x square minus a square, you should write it as what? A secant theta, a cosecant theta. Okay, a square minus x square is sin and cos, x square minus a square is secant and cosecant, secant and cosecant. Okay, now please make a note of it. Then this one, a square plus x square or 1 by root of a square plus x square, this you can write as x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta. X is equal to what? A cot theta. Okay. Okay. Oh, give your snacks here. What you brought? What you brought? Keep it here. Eat. Eat now. I will also take. Really, I will take. I should not take. You can take, no? You take, eat. If you take one, I will take one. Eat. You eat. I will also take now. Okay, really I will take. See, I took. You also take. Okay. So this is what? J square plus x square is what? X is equal to a tan theta, x is equal to a cot theta. Okay, x is equal to a cot theta. Clear? So if it is, plus is there in between. Now, most important is if we are having this one, a minus x, a plus x, or a plus x, a minus x. A minus x by a plus x, a plus x by a minus x. Okay, square root of this we are having means put x is equal to what? A cos 2 theta or a cos theta. Maximum we will be using what? X is equal to a cos 2 theta, because we will get single angle. Double will give us single angle formula, but single will give half angle formula. Okay, so we will get what? X is equal to a cos 2 theta. Clear? X is equal to a cos 2 theta we will be getting. We have to put value of what? X is equal to a cos 2 theta. Clear? This is what you must know. This is what you must know. Okay, what man you also want? Oh, you had breakfast, no? Okay, x is equal to a cos 2 theta. So this is what, if you talk about this one, x by a minus a or a minus x by x, this is equal to what? A sin square theta, x is equal to a cos square theta. Sorry, x is equal to a cos square theta, that's all. So a minus x, square root of a minus x by a plus x, square root of a minus x by a minus x. Okay, a plus x by a minus x within square root, or a minus x by a plus x. Put x is equal to what? Cos 2 theta. Most of the times cos 2 theta, depending on the option you can go for cos theta also, a cos theta also. But if it is x by a minus x, x by a minus x or a minus x by x, x by a minus x or a minus x by x, that time you put what? X is equal to a sin square theta or a cos square theta. Please make a note of it. Okay, please make a note of it. Now I will give a question which is different from all these types. I will tell you what is the substitution you have to make. Okay, written. They were given the question. They were given the question, that is sin inverse of x minus a by x dx is equal to what? Okay, is equal to what? This is TS 2024 they have asked. TS 2024 they have asked this question. Okay, TS 2024 they have asked this question. So please have a look at this. Sanvi, I think you are following. Naresh, screen is fine now. So please look at it. They have given sin inverse of x minus a by x. Okay, so see here, look at it, clear, observe carefully. Here I know you will go to this. Here it is what? A minus x, a minus x. Then you can go for a sin square x, a sin square theta, a cos square theta. But here it is x minus a. This is what? X minus a is given, not a minus x. This is a different type. Okay, this is a question that is given 2024 Telangana they have given sin inverse of square root of x minus a by x dx. Here the substitution that you must do is, if it is x minus a, it is x is equal to a secant square theta or cosecant square theta. X is equal to a secant square theta. Okay, x minus a, you remember this, square root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square is what? X is equal to a secant theta. Correct na? X is equal to a cosecant theta. Square root of a square minus x square. You will use to write what? X is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. But here it is given x is equal to what? What is it? Square root of x minus a. Instead of x square minus a square, they have given what? X minus a. Inside square is not there. So outside we will make the square. That is what? X is equal to, instead of writing a secant theta, you will write it as what? A secant square theta. See, I'll explain again. See here. Square root of x square minus a square. You will write what? A is equal to, x is equal to a secant theta. Correct na? A secant theta. Correct na? Now, if you are having within the square root x minus a, okay, here square is not there. That time what you will write? X is equal to a secant square theta. That's all. That's all. X is equal to a secant square theta. Here square is not there. We will write square outside. Here square is there. Outside we will not write square. Now look at this. Square root of a square minus x square. You will write what? X is equal to what? A sin theta or a cos theta. But if it is square root of a minus x, you will write what? X is equal to a sin square theta or a cos square theta. That is what we have written here. A minus x, x. Understood how it is coming? Now clear? So if you are getting a minus x, put x is equal to a sin square theta. X minus a, put x is equal to a secant square theta. Now if you solve this, what we will get? So sin inverse of, what is this? A secant square theta minus 1 I can write na. Okay, I can take 1 outside. This is divided by, what is this? A secant theta. This square root will be there here also, secant theta. Okay, a cancels. Okay, secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, this is secant theta. So sine inverse of what is this? Tan square theta by what is this? By secant square theta. Okay, secant square theta should be there. By secant square theta we are having. Within what? Within square root. Now square root if I remove tan theta by secant theta. What is tan theta by secant theta? If I write here tan by secant theta is what? Tan by secant theta is what? Tan is what? Sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. Secant is 1 by cos. Cancel, cancel. We'll get what? Sin inverse of, I'll get sin theta. So I'll get integral sin inverse of sin theta. So that is what we'll get? Theta. Theta we will get. Theta is what? See, we are having. Theta is what we have. What here? I can write it as this implies x by a is equal to secant square theta. Okay. So x by a square root, this is nothing but secant theta. Secant theta is square root of x by a. So theta is equal to what? Secant inverse of square root of x by a. Secant inverse of square root of x by a. So what we can write here? This will become what? This will become equal to, this will become equal to what? Theta is what? Secant inverse of under root x by a. So we have to what? Integrate this. We have to what? Integrate this. Integral of secant x is what? Integral of secant x is what? Secant x. Integral of secant x is? Integral of secant x is what? Log secant x plus tan x. Okay, log secant x plus tan x. Correct na? Log secant x plus tan x. Log of secant inverse of, secant inverse is there na? What is secant inverse of x? 1 by mod x, 1 by x, square root of x square minus 1. Correct na? Square root of x square minus 1. This I can write it as what? 1 by, okay, mod x means I can write it as, this is mod x means you should write it as whatever is here, root x by a divided by square root of x square minus 1 means I can write it as a will come up x square minus a square. Okay, derivative of root of x by a, that is 1 by root a. Root x is what? Derivative of root x is what? Derivative will not come here. We will write it as what? Observe here. We are having this. So root x is there. Correct na? So you will write it like this. What about this 1 by a? 1 by a you have to write below. 1 by a you have to write below. Coefficient of that you have to write it below. So what will come up? A will come up. This will become a square. See, forget about the answer. Did you understand the procedure? How we got it? Understood everyone? Okay. So what we should do? X minus a means? X minus a means what you will do? Understood? Suppose secant inverse you don't know the formula. What you can do then? Secant inverse you don't know the formula. You can convert to cos. Correct? Now you can convert to cos also. What you will do then? Secant inverse you don't know the formula means you can write it in terms of what is it? You can write it as cos inverse of under root a by x. That's all. Okay, depending on the option you will get the answer. Did you understand the substitution? So this is how you will use trigonometric substitution, which is very important. Trigonometric substitution. So x minus a means what you will use? X is equal to a secant square theta. X square minus a square means x is equal to a secant theta. A minus x means x is equal to a sin square theta. A square minus x square means x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, this one you have to remember. Next. Okay, look at this. They have given, please observe, they have given. Look at, we will solve some questions. Look at this. What they have given? So, are we getting it? What they have given? Integral of x square by square root of 1 minus x to the power of 6. So x to the power of 6 can be written as what? X cube whole square. So x to the power of 6 can be written as x cube whole square, right? So x cube whole square. T is equal to x cube. So this can be written as what? X cube whole square. So t is equal to x cube. dt will be what? 3x square dx. So this will become what? 3x square. This will be 1 by 3. So 3 will come here. Why it is happening like this? Okay. So we are having This 3x square dx is what? Dt. So, integral of dt by square root of 1 minus t square. So, that is what? Sine inverse of 1 by 3 will be there. 1 by 3 into sine inverse of t. Sine inverse of t. T is what? X cube. So, that will become what? 1 by 3 sine inverse of x cube plus c. Okay. What is the option? First option. First option is the right answer. First option is the right answer. Clear? Understood everyone? What we did here? X power 6 can also be written as x cube whole square. Please remember this. Okay. Look at this question. This is a question from JEE Mains, which they have asked in your EAPCET also many times. JEE Mains standard question. They have asked this question many times in your EAPCET also. They have given. Look at the question. First, look at the question. Okay. If integral of x square plus 2 into x power 4 plus 3 into x power 6 into 1 plus x square plus x power 4 to the power of 1 by 2 dx is equal to k times ax square plus bx 4 plus cx 6 to the power of p, okay, plus L, then the value of k, a, b, c and p they are asking. They are asking the value of k, a, b, c and p. Appears like a difficult question. Okay. First copy the question, I will tell you. First copy the question, all of you. Copy the question, man, just don't sit. Copy the question. Don't become lazy like some are one of your roommates. I will not mention the name also. Leave it. I am telling you, Arsha. If you eat and finish it within the class, then tomorrow I will allow you to class. Otherwise, I will not allow you to class. You have to eat. I am telling you seriously. Some people told they bought biscuit. Nobody is showing the biscuit, thinking that I will ask. Okay. Okay. Who is that bro who brought biscuit? Gayatri, huh? You are? You also? Take it out, eat and solve. You also brought it. You should eat and you should solve. You should be happy. Eat. That is important. I am telling you now, Neha. Where is the biscuit? Eat. Already eating. Very good. Okay. That is good. Multitasking. Okay. She is feeling mad for you. That for her at least you should eat, no? What man, you want to go Ratnadeep now? Huh? Not required. Listen. He's feeling bad. I should have also brought something. Okay, fine. Okay. Copied the question, all of you? This question is important. See here. Now, in this question, what we will do is, okay, what we will do is, here from 1x we will take it out. From this 1x I will take it out. What I will do? From this 1x I will take and give it to here. 1x I will take and transfer to here. 1x if I remove from here, what will this become? X plus 2x cube plus 3x to power 5, correct na? Plus 3x power 5. This x if I want to send it here, already 1 by 2 is there. Directly I cannot send x. So I will make it what? This x I will make it x square to the power of 1 by 2. Directly I cannot send it here. Okay. Wake up, man. Watching match yesterday, huh? Anyways, SRS last, no? RCB won. That's all. We won. Okay, fine. So what? Huh? Okay, good, very good, very good. So x becomes what? X square. So x it became x square. X becomes what? X square to the power of 1 by 2. X square to the power of 1 by 2. So that means what? I can write it as x only. X will become x square to the power of 1 by 2. I will send it here. I will send it here. I will send it here means this will become what? This will become x square, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 6. 1 by 2 will remain as it is. Correct? Understood, Arsha? So see here, Manaswini, Liharika, Srinidhi. So x I have taken outside. If I want to send it here, okay, if I want to send it here, I have to do some modification. Okay, you have to do some modification. Suppose some random people want to come here, okay, directly they cannot come. At least they should wear our what institute shirt. By that time, at least we will recognize. Suppose new student comes, okay, we will recognize is our student. Okay, suppose we are talking about CSR students, some new student comes, you people we have seen, some new student comes for what, CSR what, set classes who come here morning time. At least they own our t-shirt means, okay, new student also, okay, yes, own our t-shirt, okay, maybe our student only will think. Directly if they come, we will question them, correct na? So, that is why the t-shirt that we are giving is square and also to the power of 1 by 2. So, that it matches the institute that is 1 by 2. Okay. So, we are making x as x square. So, this will become inside. Now, there is no harm here, no rule is broken. Now, see here x 2x cube plus 3x to the power of 5. Now, what is here x square, x power 4, x power 6. So, are we understanding what we are doing? Now, what we will do is this one we will take it and we will put it as t. So, t is what here, x square plus, let me use some other color. So, we will take it as what, with this one we will take it as t. This t is what, x square plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 6. Okay. dt will become what, dt is equal to 2x square, 2x plus 4x cube plus 6x to the power of 5. Can I take 2 outside? So, dx, this will be dx. This will be what, dt will be 2 times into x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power of 5 dx. So, see here same thing as this, here dx is there, see here same thing as this, observe here same thing as this is same thing here. Okay. X plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power of 5 dx, x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power of 5 dx. So, instead of this what I can write, dt by 2, I can write what, dt by 2, correct no? Instead of this entire thing, okay, x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power of 5 dx, I can write what, next step, if I send 2 here, see here, I can send 2 here, this will become what, see, instead of this place here, this entire thing, instead of this, what I can write, dt by 2, correct no? I can write dt by 2. So, this entire integral will become what, t to the power of what is this, 1 by 2, what is this, dt will be there, 1 by 2 will be outside, integral, t to the power of 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2, t to the power of 1 by 2 dt, correct, correct no? This is what we are having. Now, they have integrated this, means we have got some value. If I integrate this, what I will get, 1 by 2 into t to the power of 1 by 2 is what, that is t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, that is t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, correct na, plus c, plus c. So, 2 cancels, what will happen? So, what will have? Here we will have 1 by 3 into t is what now? T is what? X square, x power 4 plus x power 6, okay, 1 by 3 plus c, plus c. Now, see here, equate this to this one, I will write here 1 by 3 into what is this, x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 to the power of 3 by 2, to the power of 3 by 2. Now, look at this, k is equal to what? 1 by 3, a is equal to what? 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1, all are equal, p is equal to what? 3 by 2, L is equal to C, that is not required, that is not given. So, what is the option? Second option, K is equal to 1 by 3, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to what? 1, that is they are equal, P is equal to 3 by 2, that is second option. Clear? Understood everyone? This is the way we got to solve this question. Sahitya understood? Vaishnavi, Spandana, Sirisha, understood? Shamani, got it? Gayatri, this one clear? Very important. If you get in JE, you know how to do it, right? This is the way you have to do. Sai Kirti, understood? EAPCET, same thing you have to do. You have to send one x inside and this one you take it as t. Then you will get the answer. Okay, very simple question, but it appears difficult. Okay, integration questions you may find difficult, but if you know the logic, it is easy. So, 4 marks, at least 3 marks you can get it correct. Okay, if you know the logic. If you practice well, 4 out of 4 you can get it. Sanvi got it? Naresh, I hope the screen is fine now. Clear? Simple, no? Okay, you can write the solution for this. Please write down, all of you. Write down the solution. You can copy the solution later, you can keep eating. I am telling for you. Please write it fast. If you are done, just tell me. Okay, next one. Done. If you write so slow, we cannot cover things. Write down fast. Written? Oh, okay. Can we go? Okay. Now we look at the standard integrals, 9 forms. 9 standard integrals are there. One is 1 by root of a square minus x square minus x square. Okay. Next is x square plus a square. Okay. So see here, these 9 integrals we will divide it into 3 blocks. First is, if we talk about how to remember, I will tell you. Suppose we are having, the question is like, okay, 1 by square root of q, 1 by square root. So this can be like 1 by, what is it, x square minus a square, or a square minus x square. First is, I will write it as what, 1 by square root of a square minus x square. Other possibility is what, 1 by square root of a square plus x square, or x square plus a square, or 1 by square root of x square minus a square. These are the only 3 possibilities when we talk about square root. Okay, a square minus x square minus a square, a square plus x square, or x square plus a square. These 3 possibilities are there. Now when we are having, okay, 1 by square root of a square minus x square, what is that we have? Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Now when we are having 1 by square root of x square plus a square, sine h inverse of x by a plus c. This one, cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, and this is the formula. Now whenever h is coming, we can write one more way. This can be written as log of, or you can also write it as log of x plus square root of whatever is inside, that's all, x square plus a square. Or this can also be written as, or log of x plus whatever is inside, square root of x square minus a square plus c, that will be there. This is one thing. Okay, when it comes to what? When it comes to 1 by square root, 1 by square root, 1 by square root. Now another thing we are having is, if it is 1 by q, if it is 1 by q, okay, if it is 1 by q, the possibilities are what? 1 by a square plus x square, or x square plus a square, a square plus x square. Okay, 1 by a square plus x square. Next is what? 1 by a square minus x square. Next is 1 by x square minus a square, x square minus a square. Now if it is given like this, a square plus x square is what? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, this is what? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, whenever we have a square minus x square minus x square, you have to remember it is log will come. So this will be what? 1 by 2a. Here also it is 1 by 2a. Here also it is log. Here also it is log. So a square minus x square means it will become, first is a plus x by a minus x. First is what? A square minus x square means a plus x into a minus x. That is what? A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. That is a plus x by a minus x. You will write up down, a plus x by a minus x. But here it is x minus a by x plus a. That's all. That's all. Clear na? Understood? Understood everyone? So this is the what? First 6 forms. One is 1 by root of q, another one is 1 by q. This they can give. Okay. Now same thing what we got here, square root, if they give in the numerator. Okay, next 3 forms are like this. Okay, same 3 if they give whatever you are having here, instead of giving 1 by root q, if they give root q, instead of that, if they give root q, if they give root q. Okay, if they give root q in terms of what? In terms of, see here, in terms of what they can give, they can give it in terms of square root of a square minus x square, square root of a square plus x square, square root of x square minus a square, square root of x square minus a square. Okay. For such questions, how to solve? So, see here, for such questions, first thing what is coming in the formula? X by 2. Here also it is x by 2. Here also it is x by 2 is coming. Here also x by 2 is coming. Next is what? Whatever the function that is given, that, right? That only. Huh? What is anything wrong? Okay, cheppandi. Okay. X square a square minus x square. This is what? A square plus x square. This is x square minus a square. That's all. Next comes what? Here it is plus. If it is plus, it will be plus. If it is plus, plus. If it is minus, minus. So it is what? A square by 2. Here also a square by 2. Here it is minus a square by 2. Here it is what? Minus a square by 2. Now what we should write? Sin inverse? Sin inverse x by a. Okay, sin inverse x by a. A square minus x square means sin inverse x by a. This is what? Sin h inverse x by a. Here it is what? Cos h inverse x by a. Okay, cos h inverse x by a. But here, instead of sin inverse x by a, sin h inverse x by a, instead of this, what I can write? Sin inverse x by a will remain sin inverse x by a, nothing can change. But when it comes to sin h inverse x by a, you can also write it as a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus a square. This is what? This is log of x plus square root of x square minus a square instead of cos h inverse of x. That's all. Understood the formula? Anything wrong in the formula? This is how you can remember easily. Okay, first is what? 1 by q, root of q. Next is 1 by q. Next is root q. Okay, 1 by root of q 3 times, 1 by q 3 times. Okay, root q 3 times. That's all. This is the easy way you can remember the formula. Okay, clear? So based on the standard results, you will get the questions. Online understanding? Okay, can we move forward? You done? Write down fast, because we have to do more. Keep eating. Okay. Now, write down here. Suppose we take a question like this. Suppose the question is given integral of 1 by root of x square minus 4x. Another question they are given is 1 by root of square root of 4x minus x square. Another question that they are given is integral of x square plus 4x. Okay, x square plus 4x. This is the question that is given. Now listen. So 1 by root of x square minus 4x. We know that this we can use what? Completing the square method. Okay, x square minus 4x is given. So first we will take the denominator, that is x square minus 4x. Okay, coefficient of x is what? 4. That you divide by 2, that is what? It will become 2. So square that, add it and subtract it. This will become what? Plus 4 minus 4. So this will become what? X minus 2 whole square minus 2 square. So we are having what? 1 by root of, I am talking about this question, dx. Okay, 1 by root of what is it? X minus 2 whole square minus 2 square. These of which form? 1 by root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square, what is the formula? 1 by root of x square minus a square. X square minus x square is cos h inverse. So I can write this as what? Cos h inverse. X is what? X minus 2 by, what is it? Cos h inverse x by a. Okay, x minus 2 by 2 plus c, correct? Or I can also write it as what? Cos h inverse of x, I can write it as what? Log x plus, here x is what? X minus 2, x minus 2 under root, instead of writing this, write this only, x square minus 4x. Here x is what? X minus 2. Here x is what? X minus 2, no, so you should write x minus 2 plus under root square root of this one. Instead of writing this, write this only. From the, you got this from where? From here. So you can write this only, square root of x square minus 4x. Clear? Okay. Next, 4x minus x square. They have given what? 4x minus x square. Definitely the coefficient of x square should be positive. Okay, and it should be also be 1. Here it is 1 only, but it is minus 1. So we will take minus outside. This will become what? X square minus 4x. So here also I will do what? Add and subtract 4. Okay, plus 4 minus 4. This would become what? Minus, what is this? X minus 2 whole square minus 2 square. If I subtract with minus, this will become what? 2 square minus x minus 2 whole square. Correct? No, 2 square minus x minus 2 whole square. Now this question will become what? See here. Now this question will become what? This one written, everyone? Everyone has written this? Written? Okay. Now this question will become what? Observe here. This question will become 1 by square root of, what is this? This one. 1 by square root of, what is this? 2 square minus x minus 2 whole square within square root. So this is what? 1 by square root of a square minus x square. That is what? Sin inverse of x by a. So this can be written as what? Sin inverse of x by a. X minus 2 by 2 plus c. That's all. Sin inverse of x minus 2 by 2 plus c. Clear? Now look at this question, x square plus 4x. X square plus 4x is given. X square plus 4x means I can write it as what? X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. This can be written as what? X plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. So this is what? Integral of, what is it? Under root of x square minus x square plus, under root is there, okay, x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. This is what? Square root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square is what? That is x by 2. Here x is what? X plus 2. Okay, x plus 2 by 2, x plus 2 by 2. Okay, then what we should write? Same thing, whatever is there, that is x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. I will write it as 4. Okay, next is what? Minus is there, so I should write minus 2 square by 2. That is a square by 2 means 2 square by 2 is just 2. So I will just write 2. Okay, into what is it? I can write cos h inverse of x by a. Cos h inverse of x by a, or also I can write it in terms of log. Minus 2 log of x plus same thing. Okay, log plus log of x is what? X plus 2 plus whatever is within the square root, that is nothing but x square plus 4x. Okay, this is the answer. Like this you have to solve. Understood everyone? This one? Just write down the question, that's all. You don't need to do it by yourself. Okay. This anyways you have done for your board exams. Nothing much to worry about this. Clear? Now we will go for integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay. Very important, integration by parts. We will be talking about lot of tricks when it comes to integration by parts. So these are the formulas we learnt. Okay. So same thing I told you, how to remember using the tricks. Integration by parts. Okay, integration by parts, you know that integral of uv dx is what? U times integral of v dx minus integral of du by dx into integral of v dx. Okay, u is what? The first function. How do you decide? Based on Euler order. Okay, that is inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. Correct na? And exponential. Now when it comes to examples, see here, if you are having integral of, okay, integral of x power square, what is that? Integral of x square e power x. Okay. Next you can have the type of e power x, or you can x square, or I can write x square sin x. Integral of, what is it? X square, or you can write e power x sin x. e power x sin x, this one. Now if you do this x square e power x, if we integrate, definitely we have to do integration by parts. Before I tell the trick, let me do one time integration by parts. Suppose I take this here, okay, x square e power x dx, okay, dx. dx, dx and dx, okay. So see here, x square e power x dx is there. Now what I can do this, first function is what? First function is what? First function is what here? X square. So I can write x square into integral of x square is e power x is e power x, okay, is equal to minus 2x into integral of e power x, integral of e power x, correct na? Ex into 2x into e power x. What is this I can do? Integral of dx, correct no? Okay. Next is what? Further I should do x square e power x minus 2 into what I can write? This one, this is what? X into e power x, minus into minus is plus, okay, minus into minus is plus, derivative of x is 1, and I can write this as what? Okay, let me multiply by 2 better, okay, let me multiply by 2. So this will become what? 2 into derivative of x is 1, e power x plus c, okay. This is what we will have the answer. This is what we will have the answer when we do by parts. When we do by parts. Now x square e power x is given, x square sin x is given, e power x sin x is given. Okay, let us take some more examples. Let us take some more examples for you to understand. Okay. Now they were given x square e power x, x square e power x is given, Sai Kirti understanding, x square e power x is given. This much steps are not required to be done when we talk about x square e power x is given. So e power x into some polynomial is given means what you should do is the trick, okay. Let me talk about the trick. First thing is what? First type of questions that they will give is, first is e power x into some polynomial, I can take it as x square, okay. Second type they can give is, what is it? E power x some trigonometric function sin x. Third one I can talk about x square polynomial into some trigonometric function is given, okay, polynomial into some trigonometric function is given. This one you can write it as what? The trick is you can write it as, see here, e power x you write it as it is within the bracket, okay. First you write down as it is x square as it is. Here what is it? Plus, plus means here it is minus, then plus minus x square, derivative of x square is what? Until you get 0 you have to do 2x. Next is what? Plus, derivative of 2x is 2. See, no, this minus plus I am writing it, okay, it is not minus 2. Derivative plus x square is there, okay, plus x square, this is minus, derivative of x square is what? Minus 2x, plus derivative of 2x is what? I am not talking about minus 2x, I am asking 2x, derivative, this is 2, minus derivative of 2 is what? 0, no need to write. So the answer is what? This what? This is what will get the answer. So this is what will get the answer in one step. This is what will get the answer in one step. So instead of doing integration by parts, suppose I will give some more questions based on this. Suppose they give integral of e power x, x cube dx, okay, integral of e power x, x square minus 2x plus 4 dx, integral of e power x, x cube plus x plus 1 dx. If they give like this, how to solve? If they give like this, how to solve? E power x, x cube, e power x, x square minus 2x plus 4, e power x, x cube plus x plus 1. Definitely we have to do integration by parts here for each of this. That will take a lot of time, okay. So what we will do is, first thing is what we will do, e power x you write it as it is, then the function you will write it as it is within the bracket x cube, you will write it as it is. Next, plus means here it is minus 3x square plus 6x minus 6 plus c, that's all is the answer, okay. You write it in one step. This is the trick you have to use for, shortcut trick for integration by parts, shortcut trick you will use for integration by parts, okay. So if I talk about this question, e power x x square minus 2x plus 4. So, this one I will write e power x. So, first function, given function I should write it as what? As it is I should write it. That means what I should write? This is x square minus 2x plus 4, I will write it as it is, plus I will write it as it is. Next should come what? Minus, what is this? Differentiation of this. All of you observe, minus differentiation of this, minus differentiation of this is what? 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2, keep it as it is. Next is what? Plus, next is plus, differentiation of this is what? 2, that is all. Now you remove the minus sign, see, e power x, x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 2 plus 2. So, what we will get? E power x, x square minus 4x plus 8 plus c, that is all is the answer. That is all is the answer, you will get it in 1 or 2 steps, that is all, very simple. Now, look at this one also, all of you. Okay, what I can do here? All of you try by yourself this question. All of you try this question using the trick. First e power x, then you write the function as it is, then minus sign, derivative, then plus sign, derivative, then minus sign, then derivative. You have to do it up till you get 0. Okay, understanding Sanvi and others? Naresh? Okay, that is good. Okay, now see here, observe. So, I should write what first? E power x, I should write the function as it is, x cube plus x plus 1, correct? Now, minus 3x square plus 1 plus 6x minus 6. So, this will be what? E power x into what is this? X cube plus x plus 1 minus 3x square minus 1 plus 6x minus 6. So, this is what? This will be e power x into what we are having? X cube plus what is this? X plus 6x is 7x minus 3x square plus 7x plus 1 minus 1. This is what? Minus 6 plus. Everyone got the same thing? Okay, everyone got the same thing, no? Now, then you should be able to solve. Definitely you should be able to solve this question now, which they have asked. AP also they have asked, same thing they have asked in TS also. What they have given here? Integral of e power x, x plus 1 whole square dx. X plus 1 whole square dx. Please try all of you. Then I will give the answer. Then I will try myself. Please try all of you. Please try everyone. E power x, x square plus 1, na? All of you, what is the option? Third option, energy, I need more energy. Third one, everyone got third one? Please try, all of you have to get the answer. Arsha, you got? Third one? Okay. Akshaya, Bhavani, Anusha, Vaishnavi got it, Sahiti, Liharika, Sanvi, you got third option. So here what we will do is, Gayatri got it? Two of them are absent, right? When it comes to hostel girls, who is that? Shravanti and Manila. Okay. How they are now? Not well, huh? Okay, fine. So we will write what? E power x as it is. Then x plus 1 whole square as it is minus 2 times x plus 1 plus derivative of 2x plus 1 is this is just 2. Correct, no? So e power x, this is what? X plus 1, I can, x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 2, sorry, minus 2 plus 2. This cancels. So e power x, x square plus 1 plus c. Very simple. Got it in within a minute, within 30 seconds you will get the answer for this question. Clear now? Understood everyone? Easy, simple? Okay. Now, Look at this question. This is little different. This is by substitution. All of you look at this. So they have given integral of 1 by x square into square root of 1 plus x square. 1 by x square into square root of 1 plus x square. So look at this question. So what I can write here is root of 1 plus x square. In that I will take x outside. I will take x outside. This will become what? 1 by x square into x into 1 plus. See, this is what? 1 by x square plus 1. 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay. This will be what? 1 by x square means this will become integral of 1 by x cube divided by, I can write here 1 by x square plus 1, I can write it. This is what I have. Now let me try to differentiate this. What is the denominator? I will take it as what? 1 by x square plus 1. I will take it. Okay. Let me find d by dx of this. D by dx of this is what? 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Differentiation of 1 by x square is what? Minus 2 by x cube. But here I am having what? 1 by x cube. So I should divide and multiply by minus 2. So this will be dx will be here. Minus 2 I will write it here. So 1 by minus 2. So minus 1 by 2, what is this? F dash of x by square root of f of x. F dash of x by square root of f of x. So that is 2 times root of 1 by root of, what is that? F of x is what? What I can write it? 1 plus x square, I can write it as by x square plus c, minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So minus will be there, 1 by root of 1 plus x square. X square if I take outside, this will become x plus c. Square root if I take it outside. So that is option 1. Option 1 is the right answer. Understanding everyone? This question, did you understand how I did? Should I explain again? I should explain? Okay, good. So you should tell like that. So see here what we are having, 1 plus x square plus 1. So I took x outside. So this will become what? 1 by x square plus 1. So 1 by x square. So if I take it up, this will become 1 by x cube. Okay. This is the denominator I have, root of 1 by x square plus 1. If I take this as function, okay, d by dx of 1 by x square plus 1. Okay, d by dx of 1 by x square is what? Minus 2 by x cube. We know that d by dx of 1 by x to the power of n is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. That is minus 2. This is minus 2 by x cube. So here I am having 1 by x cube, that's all. So I will divide and multiply by minus 2. So this will become outside, it will be minus 1 by 2, here it will be minus 2 by x cube. So here I am having what? Here I am having 1 by 2 integral of f dash of x by square root of f of x. So this will be minus 1 by 2 into 2 times square root of f of x plus c. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel, minus f of x is what here? 1 by x square plus 1. If I take LCM, minus 1 into x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Square root if I remove for the denominator, this will become just x. So minus x square plus 1 by x plus c. Understood now? Clear? Okay, that is the first option is the right answer. Got it everyone? Sahiti? Understood? Any difficulty you tell me? Understood this one? This question you have to practice. Next one. So I told you a trick, right? E power x if it is given. Suppose, see, that is what is given here. If f of x is a polynomial, e power x into f of x is nothing but what? E power x you will write it as it is, f of x you will write it as it is, minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x plus it goes on. Okay. Suppose they will give you e power ax f of x dx. E power ax, look at this, it is not here, you have to write it down. Integral of e power ax f of x dx. Suppose e power 2x x cube, e power 4x x cube, e power minus x, then also it is valid, e power minus x x cube. If they give e power ax f of x dx, this can be written as what? First you should integrate e power ax by a, as it is you write it. E power ax by a you have to write it, because integral of e power ax is what? E power ax by a. So within the bracket what you will write? First f of x you will write it as it is. Okay, next is what? F dash of x, but divided by a you should write, plus f double dash of x but you should write what? A square plus f triple dash of x by a cube. It will go on up till 0. Okay, this is the thing you have to write down. Okay, minus plus, this is plus, means this should be minus, plus minus, this should be plus. Okay, understood? Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. This is important. Now I will give two questions which you have to do by yourself, not now, later. Okay, copy the questions also. If I give e power minus 2x x power 4 dx, if I give e power 4x x cube minus 2x dx. Okay, please write down this question. Do it by yourself later. Okay, do it by yourself later. Okay, please write down this question. So I told you integration by parts. I told 3 tricks are there. We have discussed only one trick, that is e power x into polynomial. Now we will discuss the other trick, that is if it is given polynomial into trigonometric functions. If it is e power x into trigonometric function, we will discuss. But before that we will discuss what? Polynomial into trigonometric function is given. Polynomial into trigonometric function is given. That time what you should do? That is a trick we will be discussing now. Okay, now listen. Next is, if they have given second trick of, what is it? Integration by parts, second trick. See if I talk about, if they are given integral of x square sin x, integral of x square sin x dx. So first you should take this as u, you will take it as v, as trigonometric function you will take it as v. So first what you will do is, this u you will write it as it is, x square, but for this v you have to integrate this. Integral of sin x is what? Minus cos x. So you will write what? Minus cos x. Okay, so here it was what? Plus. Here it was plus. Since you integrated, you got minus. Otherwise I can write it like this. Here it is plus, this is minus cos x. This is plus, means here it is minus. So this one you have to do what? Differentiation. This x square you have to do what? Differentiation. X square you write it as it is first time, but second function you have to do what? Integration. This first function, second time what you will do? You have to do integration. See, I will tell again. First you copy the polynomial as it is. The trigonometric function integrated. Here it is plus, here it is minus. Next what we are having here? Polynomial and trigonometric function. Polynomial you will go on differentiating. Okay, and this trigonometric function you will go on integrating. So till when? Till the polynomial becomes 0. Okay, this will become what next? 2x. Integral of cos x is what? Sin x. Integral of cos x is sin x. So this minus will remain as it is. So I will write minus sin x. Here minus means here it is plus. Integral, the derivative of 2x is what? 2. So 2 into integral of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Here minus into minus will become plus, plus cos x. Derivative of 2 is what? 0. So further I cannot do, leave it as it is. So the answer will be what? Minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2 cos x. That's all is the answer for this question. This is how you will do. This is how you will do this. Okay, what you will do? You will write it as it is first time, but integration you will do in front of the first function itself. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. But whatever sign comes when it comes to integration, you have to keep it as it is. Clear? Understood everyone? Got it? Now we will take one more example. If I take x cube cos 2x, x cube cos 2x dx, x cube cos 2x dx. Okay, here it is given, please listen. X cube cos 2x dx is given. Now what I should do? X cube I will write as it is. Integral of cos x is what? Sin x. Sin 2x by 2 I will write it. Okay. Next, here plus minus mean differential of x cube is 3x square into integral of sin 2x is what? Minus cos 2x by 2. But here 2 is already there, 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 2, 4. This entire thing integration, not just sin 2x, this entire thing integration means what? Cos 2x by 2 into 2, 4. Next minus is there, means next is plus. This is what? 6x into integral of cos x is what? Sin 2x. Minus is there, sin 2x by 4 2s are 8. Okay. Next, this is what? Plus means this is minus. Minus 6 into integral of sin is minus cos. Okay. This will become plus cos 2x by 16. Further, if I differentiate this, it will become 0. This is the answer, final answer. Okay. This is the final answer, like this. Understanding everyone? With focus, you have to do. Okay. Now, write down this. Write down the question, you can try by yourself also. We do some previous year questions. Written that one? This one is written, questions? Okay. Now, we will do the previous year question of this type. See, they have given, if integral of x cube sin 3x dx is f of x cos 3x plus g of x sin 3x plus c. Okay, integral is coming in terms of f of x cos 3x plus g of x sin 3x plus c. They are asking us to find, then 27 f of x plus x times g of x is what? Then 27 times f of x plus x times g of x is what? So for that we have to find f of x, g of x first of all. So for this first we will do what? We will apply our rule. Okay, we will apply a rule. So this will become what? X cube. This will become what? Minus cos 3x by 3. Okay, integral of sin is minus cos, no? Okay, so this is minus 3x square into this is what? Into the integral of cos is what? Sin. Minus is there, minus sin 3x by 3 3 is a 9, not 6, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, plus 3 2 is a 6x into what is this? Integral of sin is plus cos. Okay, cos 3x by 3 9 is a 27. Okay, plus is there, this is minus. Minus 6 into integral of cos is? Integral of cos is? Sin. Integral of cos is sin, not minus sin. Correct, na? Integral of cos is sin. This is sin 3x by, what is this? 27 into 3 is 81. Okay, this is 81. Okay, this is what we are having. Let us simplify this further. So this will be what? This I can write it as what? See, cos 3x, sin 3x. Let us write this. See, this will be minus x cube by 3 cos 3x. Okay, minus into minus plus 3x square by 9 sin 3x. Wait. Sin 3x plus 6x by 27 cos 3x minus 6 by 81 sin 3x. Okay, so cos 3x into something, that is f of x, g of x into sin 3x. So let us take cos 3x terms first. So this is cos 3x, this is cos 3x. So I can write it as what? 6x by 27 minus x cube by 3 into what is it? Cos 3x. Okay, next remaining is what? Sin 3x. So what is this? 3x square by 9 minus 6 by 81 into sin 3x. Into sin 3x is what? This is what we are having, plus c. Okay, this is what? This is f of x into cos 3x. This is what? G of x into sin 3x plus c. So now if they ask, now what they are asking? They are asking what? They are asking 27 f of x plus x times g of x. F of x is what? F of x, what we got here? F of x, what we got? 6x by 27 minus x cube by 3. Okay, plus g of x is what? But they are telling not just g of x, x times g of x. That means for this we have to multiply with x. So this will become 3x cube by 9 minus 6x by 81. Okay, this is what they are asking. Okay, into what is it? 27 into 27 into 27. Okay, so this is minus x cube, this is minus 3x cube. First let us multiply with 27 throughout. Okay, they are not asking integration, integration is done. Now 27 into this. So 27 cancel, what I will get? 6x. Here I will get what? 6x minus. Here what I will get? 9x cube. See, 27 into 3, 3 9s are 27, 9x cube plus this is what? 9 plus 3x cube, correct na? What is this? 9 into 27 means 9 3s are, so 3 3s are 9, again 9x cube, 3 3s are 9, again 9x cube I will get. Next 27 3s are minus 6x by 3, 27 3s are, see here 27 into 6x by 27, 27 27 cancel, I will get 6x. 27 into minus x cube by 3, 3 1s are, 3 9s are, minus 9x cube. 27 into 3x cube by 9, 9 1s are, 9 3s are, 3 3s are 9, 9x cube. 27 into minus 6x by 87, so that is what 27 1s are, 27 3s are, minus 6x by 3, so plus 9x cube, this will cancel, I will have what, 6x minus 6x by 3, so just wait, just a minute, we have done some mistake here with respect to sign. Plus minus, okay. Here it should come plus, where it is missing we have to see. Correct, no? Any mistake here? Here you observe once, here it is plus, here it is minus, okay, minus is coming here, this is minus into minus, this is plus and this is minus, okay, plus minus, so this will be 2x na, so 6x minus 2x is what? 4x, so the answer is what? 4x, okay. Once again I will check the answer for this, so just check what is the answer we are getting, 4x. Check once this calculation. Okay, that is correct, 4x is correct, it is correct, okay. So understood how to solve such questions, okay. Just use the trick and put the values, that's all. Directly using the trick they will not give the question, of course they have given one question, Ax into x plus 1 whole square, they will give, but sometimes use the trick, then you have to modify this. This is what this is just basic calculation, basic simplification, that is there. This is only integration, from here this is basic simplification, basic knowledge of algebra and simplification, that's all. Clear, this you should be able to do. Okay, now next trick we have to go is e power x, we will do it later. Now if they have given to you, what is that, x power n log x, please observe, okay, third option is correct, 4x only, yeah Sanvi, that is correct. So see here, if they have given x power n log x, what you will do is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n, what is the derivative, you know, now derivative integral is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1, that's all, okay. So see here, x power n log x, that is x power 6 log x, x power 8 log x, whatever is given, okay. What you will do, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1, this is the formula you have to remember. Suppose I told you integral of log x, I will write it as what, x log x minus x plus 1, this is nothing but what, log x means I can write it as what, x power 0 into log x, nothing is there means 1, so 1 can be written as x power 0, so this will be what, x power 0 plus 1 is 1 by 1 into log x by 1 by n plus 1, that is 1 by 1, that is what, x into log x minus 1, that is what, x log x minus x. So understood, this formula is highly important, directly you will get the question from here. Okay, this formula is highly important. X power n log x. X power n log x is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, clear with this all of you? X power n log x dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x by minus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Clear with this? Now see here, directly they were given a question. Log x is given, directly log x whole cube is given. Whenever you see log x, you have to take it as t. Okay, directly you will not get the trick I told you, but directly based on the trick they have given the question. Log x whole cube dx. So log x you can take it as what? Log x you can take it as what? T. So if you take t is equal to log x, okay, t is equal to log x. So or I can take it as what? I will take it here. Log x is equal to t. Okay, don't differentiate now only. Log x to the base e is equal to t. So x is equal to what? E power t. So x is equal to what? E power t. Correct na? X is equal to what? E power t. Log x to the base e is equal to t means by properties of logarithm I can write x is equal to e power t. So dx will be equal to what? Dx will be equal to e power t dt. Dx will be equal to what? E power t dt. Correct na? Dx will be equal to e power t dt. So wherever dx is there I should write what? E power t dt. Wherever log x is there I should write what? T cube. So this will become what? This will turn out to be, this integral will turn out to be what? Turn out to be, see here, integral of t cube into what is that? E power t dt. So what is the trick I should use now? E power t into that first trick which I told for integration by parts. So this will become what? E power t, first function you write as it is t cube, here it is plus means here it is minus, this will be 3t square plus 6t minus 6. Correct na? So e power t, t is what? E power t, or I can write it as e power t is what? E power t is what? E power t is x. Okay, x. T is what? Log x. So log x whole cube minus 3 log x whole square plus 6 log x minus 6 plus c. What is the option? Understood na? Very simple. Very simple, you will be able to get the answer. So otherwise if you do normal method you will take lot of time to solve the question. By this method you can get the answer in just 2-3 steps. Understood na? How to do this question? Everyone? Got it? Ritika, okay, got it? Okay. Yeah, option B is the right answer. Done with this? Class is useful no? Sunday also? Yes. Okay, no, fine. Should not be like you coming and wasting time here or I waste your time. Should be useful. Okay, done? Okay, let us go to the next question. Written? Sirisha? Shravani? Written? Look at this question. They were given, if integral of e power x into x cube plus x square minus x plus 4 dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c, then f of n is what? So e power x into something is given. So we will use our trick. Correct na? We will use our trick and we will find out f of x. So this can be written as what? E power x into, first you will write the function as it is, x cube plus x square minus x plus 4, okay, minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1 plus 6x plus 2, okay, minus 6. That's all, no? Okay. Now this will be what? E power x, okay, this is what? X cube plus x square minus x plus 4 minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 6x plus 2 minus 6. Now x cube is not there, x square minus 3x square, this is what? Minus 2x square x cube is right as it is, e power x. X cube minus, okay, x cube minus 2x square. This is minus x minus 3x plus 3x plus 3x plus 4, see, plus 4 plus 2 minus 6, okay, 4 plus 2 6 minus 6. What is there here? Plus 1, okay, plus 1 is there as it is, okay. We got e power x, what is this? F of x plus c. They are asking what? F of 1. So for here I should put what? F of 1 means everywhere here I should put 1. So this will become what? 1 minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. That is what? 1 minus 2 plus, this is 5 minus 2, 3. So the answer is what? 3. Very simple. See, this is the trick. From trick they have asked some other question, that's all. So easy, no? Indefinite integration you should be able to solve. Clear with this? Understood everyone? Got it? Okay. Write this down, all of you. Yeah, option 4 is correct. So we have one more trick of integration part by parts that is left. We will do it now. Okay. Now look at this trick. So I told you while talking about integration by parts trick, I told you the third trick, that is e power x. Suppose sin x is given. Yeah, please go and come. Those who want break, you can go. 2 minutes you can go and come. Okay. Where you are going? Down, huh? Washroom, okay. Down. Okay, all right, let us resume. It's okay, only eat, you eat. తీసుకోవాలా ఓకే తింటలేదా తినాలి ఇప్పుడు బాగా ఎవరు తీసుకోవాలా ఎవరు మీరా ఓకే ఎందుకు నార్మల్ స్వీట్స్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటారా ఇక్కడ లైవ్ ఉంది లైవ్ తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను ఓకే ఇట్ ఈస్ లైవ్ ఓకే so it is e power x sin x dx is given if it is of this form, that is this shortcut if they give, or e power x sin bx instead of sin bx if they give just bx, here also cos bx. So see here, observe carefully, e power ax, so you should write it as what, e power x by a square plus b square. Here also it is what, e power x by a square plus b square. Now you start from here, a sin x then b cos x, but when it comes to sin, it is e power x by a square plus b square. This is a sin x minus b cos bx plus c. Okay, when it's sin it is minus, when it is cos it is plus. What is it? It is a sin bx minus, if it is sin, e power x, write down this formula, e power x sin bx, don't write this down, e power x sin bx dx is given, means what we can write, sin bx dx is given, means first is what, e power x by, it is not a, it is a square plus b square into what is this, a into sin bx minus b cos bx, it is not cos ax, bx is only bx, okay, here also bx means here also bx, okay, b cos bx plus c, okay, b cos bx plus c, you have to focus on the class, okay, e power ax into cos bx is equal to, cos bx dx is nothing but is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square, what is it, a cos bx or sin bx, because it is plus it does not matter, okay, but you will write what, a cos bx, with a what should come, cos bx should come, plus b sin bx plus c. So when it comes to sin, a will start a sin bx, when it comes to cos, a cos bx, okay, a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c, that's all, this is the formula you have to remember, okay, but when it comes to sin, minus sign will come, when it comes to cos, plus sign will come, okay, a cos b sin, here it is a sin b cos, okay, between minus here it is plus, e power x a square plus b square, e power x a square plus b square, clear, understood. Now suppose I give e power x sin x, so what is the answer you will write, e power x by, here it is 1 means what, e power x by 2, sorry, e power x by 2 means 1 square plus 1 square is what, 2 into, what is this, a is what, a into sin x, that is 1 into sin x, that is sin x minus b means it is 1, b into cos x, that's all. E power ax, a is what, here 1, b is what, here 1, so e power ax by a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square is 2 into a sin ax, that is a sin bx, that is what, 1 sin bx minus b cos bx, b is what, 1, that's all. Suppose I write integral of e power x cos x dx, cos x dx is what, here also it is e power x by 2, what is it, cos x plus sin x, that's all, plus c, understood, exponential trick when it comes to integration by parts. So please write down these two formulas, important, highly important, very very important. Got it everyone? Okay, now here we have some more formulas. See here, this is one of the most important formulas, that is e power x f of x plus f dash of x can be written as what, e power x f of x plus c, e power x f of x plus c, e power x f of x plus f dash of x can be written as what, e power x f of x plus c. That means what, if I write e power x sin x plus cos x dx, okay, sin x is f of x, Okay, for this f of x, f dash of x is cos x. So that will become what? I am talking about derivation, differentiation. Differentiation of sin is cos. So this can be written as what? E power x sin x plus c. E power x sin x plus c. E power x sin x plus c. This is nothing but what? Ulta of the previous formula what we wrote. Reverse. Correct now? E power x f dash of x, f of x plus f dash of x is what? E power x f of x plus c. E power x f of x plus c. Okay, e power x f of x plus c. This is very important formula. Next, e power kx k times f of x plus f dash of x. E power kx k times f of x plus f dash of x. E power ax k times f of x plus f dash of x is nothing but e power kx f of x plus c. What you have to remember, don't worry about this. Okay, don't worry about this one. See here, e power kx, or if you can write it as e power 2x into 2 sin x plus cos x. 2 sin x plus cos x. E power 2x, if I write e power 2x into 2 sin x plus cos x. Derivative of sin is what? Cos. Okay, that time you will write it as what? E power 2x into sin x plus c. E power 2x into sin x plus c. That is what you will write. E power minus x. Here k is what? Minus 1. F of x. Okay, you will write it as what? F of x minus f dash of x. Here you should take minus outside actually. Okay, e minus, this will become, here it is minus, here it is plus, here it is plus. Okay, see, this is the formula. If it is k is minus 1, here it is minus f of x plus f dash of x will be equal to e power minus k times of x. K is what? Minus 1. F of x plus c. Why it is minus? Because k is minus 1. Okay, remember this. Remember this one. So for this formula, remember the form example like this. E power 2x. Okay, e power 2x into 2 times sin x plus cos x dx is written, integral of this is written as e power 2x into sin x plus c, that's all, into e power 2x into sin x plus c, that's all. Okay, see, this is the reverse of the previous formulas what we wrote. This is the reverse of the previous formulas what we wrote. E power 2x sin x is what? Integral of e power 2x sin x is what? E power 2x by 4. E power 2x by 5, right? By 5. 2 square plus 1 by 5 into 2 sin x minus 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay. So this one you understood this formula? Everyone got it? Any doubt? Where? This one. This one. This is not required for you. This, if you differentiate e power kx, what you will get? Differentiate e power kx, you will get what? E power kx, you will get same thing here. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's why I told don't get confused with this. Leave this. Okay, this is not required. Now see here. Next one is important. F of x. See, this is also see here. F of x plus x times f dash of x is equal to x f of x plus c. See, f of x plus x times f dash of x is equal to x f of x plus c. See, all these things are important. So suppose for this example, if you want f of x, so integral of c tan x plus x secant square x, okay, dx. The answer is what? X tan x plus c, because derivative of tan is what? Secant square. Okay, so f of x plus x f dash of x, this is what? X tan x plus c. Clear? Understood? Please write down these formulas. Important. We'll solve some more questions. Written these formulas. So this one is also important. Second, third interpretation is only this one. Then fourth. Okay. So when it comes to parts, we learn 3 formulas. But one is what? E power x into polynomial. Okay. Next is what? Polynomial into trigonometric function, x square into trigonometric function, then e power x into trigonometric. Then we learn these formulas. Clear? And beginning, what did we learn? Integral of f dash of x by f of x, integral of f dash of x by root of f of x, and integral of f of x to the power of n into f dash of x is what? F of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's it. Some more types, we will do it later. Now 12:25, I should leave now. Madam is telling I have to do. Okay. Okay, look at this question. They have given log of 2x whole square plus 2 log 2x dx. This is what they have given, log of 2x whole square plus 2 log 2x dx. I told whenever log is given, we will take it as what? T. I told you we will take it as T. So, we will take what? Log 2x. We will take what? Log 2x. T is equal to, or we will take log 2x is equal to T. Log 2x is equal to what? T. See, we need more sessions on integration, we will do it, but as of now what we have done is more than enough covering the basics, but we have to do lot of questions we have to do. So, 2x is equal to what? E power t. So, 2x is equal to e power t, or you can write x is equal to what? E power t by 2. X is equal to what? E power t by 2. So, dx will be what? Dx will be e power t by 2 dt. Okay. So, what will this function become? What will this function become? Now, see here, this will become integral of what is this? T square plus 2 times t into dt is what? E power t by 2. E power t by 2. Now, see here, where x? By 2. X, derivative of x is only dx. This is what? D by dx of x is what? 1. So, this x will remain as this will become x will become dx here. Okay. Now, we are having e power t dt. E power t dt. Now, observe here 1 by 2 e power t, what we are having? T square plus 2t dt. What is this? E power f of x plus f dash of x. T square is what? Observe here, e power f of x plus f dash of x. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x. This can be written as what? E power x f of x plus c, f of x plus c. So, this can be written as what? 1 by 2 into, if I write integral e power t into f of x is what here? T square plus c, that is what? 1 by 2 into e power t is what? E power t is 2x. 2x into what is the t square is what? T is what? Log 2x. T square is what? Log 2x whole square. So, what I can do? 2 cancel, I can write x log 2x whole square. Which is the option? X log 2x whole square plus c. That is third option. Understood everyone? Got it na? Whenever log comes, take t. But don't take t is equal to log 2x. Don't do d by dt by dx 1 by 2x. Don't do like that. Take e power t. So, 2x is equal to what? E power t. In board exams, what you should do? 1 by 2x is equal to dt by dx. Like that you should do. Don't do that way. So, 2x is equal to what? E power t. Because log 2x to the base is what? T. So, e power t is equal to what? 2x. So, x is equal to what? E power t by 2. Okay, got it? Arsha, got it this one? So, you should take e power t. You should always get it in terms of x, you should get it in terms of e power t. So, 2 is there means e power t by 2, 3x is there means e power t by 3, nx is there means e power t by n, like that. Okay. Some more questions, we will see. This question, look at this. They have given log x to the power of m, x to the power of n dx. First same thing you have to do, take log x is equal to what? Log x is equal to t. So, x is equal to what? E power t. X is equal to what? E power t. So, dx is equal to what? E power t dt. Now, x power n is there. X power n will become what? X power n will become what? E power t to the power of n. So, that will become what? E power nt. X power n will become what? E power nt. So, x power n will become what? E power nt. X is equal to e power t. Now, this will become what? So, integral of log x means what? T. T to the power of m. Xn means what? E to the power of nt. Okay. Dt means what? Dx is what? E power t dt. Dx is e power t dt. So, this will become integral of t power m, e power nt plus this will become what? E power n plus 1 t. nt plus t is what? See, bases are same, powers you can add it. See here, e power n plus 1 t dt. So, what is the option? Where t is equal to e power x, where t is equal to, what is it? Where t, or no, it is not t is equal to e power x, where t is equal to log x is fine, where x is equal to e power t, where x is equal to e power t means what? Where x is equal to e power t, that is third option. See, this one and this one are similar, but here t is equal to e power x, that is wrong. T is equal to log x, where x is equal to e power t. See, x is equal to e power t, that is correct. So, you have to go with third option. Clear? Understood everyone? Nice question. So, you can get confused between two options, but here t is equal to log x means correct, but it is given e power x, but here x is equal to e power t, that is correct. So, that is what? Third option. Third option is the right answer. Clear? Understood everyone? Got it? Any doubt, you ask me. So, fine then, I will end it now. Okay, we will wind up. Thank you for coming on Sunday also. Those who watched online, that is good. So, I will wind up now. We will meet in the tomorrow session. Okay, we will start with definite integration, and these questions we will be solving later. Okay, we will be doing it integration also. Okay, in the next week we will be completing integration, definite integration also. Clear? Alright, thank you. Let us wind up. Please do practice, and tomorrow's test, please prepare well. Thank you. Take care.